Welcome to the JobServe Pay4Performance tutorial. First you will need to log into your JobServe Recruiter account in the usual way by selecting the login menu followed by the advertiser option. Enter your login details on the following screen and click the login button. Once you have reached the Recruiter control panel, first click on the Pay4Performance tree menu followed by clicking the P4P Advert Manager option. You are now at the Advert Manager page where you can manage your Pay4Performance job listings. To create a new Pay4Performance job posting, click the Add New Job link at the top of the page. Whilst creating a new P4P job, a draft is saved when moving between each step, allowing you to resume a job posting at a later date. Enter a reference of your choice used to identify this vacancy. Give the position title, for example, Senior Web Developer. Choose the relevant sector classification for the vacancy. Select the country where the position is going to be based. Enter a specific salary or range within the salary fields. Notice that a cost per application value has now been calculated. Click the Next button to continue. The application form is used to capture information from a job seeker when they apply for your job. It can also be used to filter out those who provide unsuitable details. For example, you may capture details of their education and reject anyone below your required level. The box on the left contains a list of all the available questions, and the box on the right contains the questions that will appear on your application form. Questions marked with a plus symbol indicate a filter question, which can be used to reject unsuitable candidates. It may also increase the cost per application price. Questions marked with a star symbol indicate a mandatory question that the candidate is required to answer. To add a question to your form, simply click on the available question to highlight it, and then click on the Add button to move it to your questions. For each added question, you will then be asked to further configure its settings. To delete or amend a question, or to move it up or down in the order, simply click on the question in Your Questions and click on the relevant button. We will now add 3 example filter questions to the application form. First, candidates must have a knowledge of the French language to a conversational level or higher. Second, candidates must be prepared to work Mondays to Fridays and also Saturdays. Third, candidates must hold a valid driving license. You may now wish to preview your application form to see how your new questions are being displayed. You'll see that the filter questions are displayed as multiple choice, where the candidate must correctly answer all questions to be considered as a successful application. If a candidate incorrectly answers any of our filter questions, their application will be rejected. If you are happy with your application form, you may now close the preview and click the Next button to continue. To increase the quality of the candidates applying for your job, you should provide as much additional information as possible on this screen. When you are ready to continue, click on the Next button. Here you should provide a full description of the job, making sure that you include the relevant skills to ensure the job is seen by suitable candidates, and remember that the best candidates are more likely to apply for a well-written and attractive sounding role. Once you are happy with the job description, click the Next button to continue. At this stage you may want to preview your job posting one last time. If you would like to amend any details, simply click on the appropriate category tab at the top of the screen. Once you are happy with the cost per application and the number of applications you have requested, click the Pay button to confirm your advert. Once confirmed, your advert will be successfully posted and be fully viewable by candidates. Once you have received an application for this job posting, you can access it from the Advert Manager screen by clicking on the Applications link. To make a copy of an existing job posting, click the Copy icon, allowing you to save time if you have previously advertised for a similar requirement. You can also delete an existing pay-for-performance job at any time by clicking on the trash can icon. This is the end of the pay-for-performance tutorial. If you have any further questions, please contact a member of our sales team using the details displayed on screen.